Om Shri Sai Ram. On this glorious occasion of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba's centenary year celebrations at Prashanti Nilayam, Puttaparthi, esteemed elders, dear brothers and sisters, let us all welcome the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा के जन्मभूमि और कर्मभूमि पुट्टपर्ती के दिव्य प्रांगण में भगवान बाबा के शतवर्ष जन्मोत्सव के इस पावन अवसर पर विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हम हृदयपूर्वक अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत करते हैं। मोदी जी की अदम्य ऊर्जा, मां एवं मातृभूमि के प्रति अतुलनीय प्रेम,
राष्ट्रीय विकास के प्रति
उनका अद्वितीय समर्पण दुनिया भर के लाखों करोड़ों लोगों के लिए एक आदर्श एवं जीवन साधना का प्रेरक आधार है। भगवान बाबा के शतवर्ष जन्मोत्सव के इस पावन अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के साथ मंच पर उपस्थित हैं आंध्र प्रदेश के आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री एन चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी, आंध्र प्रदेश के उप मुख्यमंत्री श्री पवन कल्याण जी, श्री सत्यसाई सेंट्रल ट्रस्ट के मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी श्री आर.जे. रत्नाकर जी, श्री सत्यसाई ग्लोबल काउंसिल के चेयरपर्सन श्री के चक्रवर्ती जी, श्री सत्यसाई सेवा ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के ऑल इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट श्री निमिष पांड्या जी और भारत के गौरवशील एवं सुप्रतिष्ठित हस्तियां हम आप सभी का प्रेम पूर्वक स्वागत करते हैं। We will commence this morning's proceedings with invocatory Vedam chants offered by the students from the women campus of Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning from Anantapur.
उपमश्रवः तमम् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सं समिद्युवसे वृषन्नग्ने विश्वा न्यर्य आ इळस्पदे समिध्यसे स समानो मन्त्रः समितिः समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषाम् समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेव समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानी व आकूतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा वस्सु सहासति ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Sai Ram. Now, it is our profound privilege to felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. We request the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu to kindly felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. आज का यह पावन अवसर हम सब के लिए गौरव का क्षण है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री, जिनकी अप्रतिम दूरदर्शिता, अटूट कर्मनिष्ठा और राष्ट्र निर्माण के प्रति संपूर्ण समर्पण भारत को एक नई दिशा और तीव्र गति से आगे बढ़ा रही है, उनका अभिनंदन हम सभी के लिए एक विशिष्ट गौरवमय सौभाग्य है। We now request our respected Managing Trustee of Sri Satya Sai Central Trust to kindly felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Sai Ram. We now invite the respected Managing Trustee of Sri Satya Sai Central Trust, Shri R.J. Ratnakar Garu, to deliver the welcome address. Shri R.J. Ratnakar.
Offering my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Master, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Deputy CM Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, we have a young leader here Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Ministers from both Centre and State, and we have very special guests here from Sai fraternity and Sai family. That is Sachin Tendulkar ji and Aishwarya ji. We have Shri Chakravarti Garu, who has been a doyen of Sai institutions. And we have Shri Nimesh Pandya, All India President of Shri Satya Sai Seva Organizations India. My fellow trustees, dignitaries and functionaries, sea of devotees here who have gathered here to celebrate the 100th year of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Loving Sai Ram to each one of you. My heart is filled with joy to witness the celebrations where our dear Prime Minister and Chief Minister, along with galaxy of distinguished citizens, have assembled here to celebrate Bhagwan Baba's centenary in the holy land of Puttaparthi. Sir, the Puttaparthi is the Janma Bhumi of Bhagwan Baba and also the Karma Bhumi of Bhagwan Baba. Sri Satya Sai has started entire his mission from this holy land at the age of 14 in 1940. A small hamlet, a remote part of Andhra Pradesh. Now he has turned this small tiny hamlet into global spiritual attraction only by a simple mantra, love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. Sir, it is true that Baba has started many educational institutions, medical institutions, carried out many community service projects. But the true purpose of his mission transcends these categories of institutions. He wanted to demonstrate that when institutions are founded on spiritual principles and operated as instruments of divine will, they become powerful catalysts for societal transformation. Sir, during your address to Sai devotees last time, you said, रत्नाकर भाई, मैं वहाँ जरूर आऊँगा, लेकिन आशीर्वाद देने के लिए नहीं, आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए आऊँगा. You have kept up your promise, sir, and now you are with us, amongst us, on this auspicious occasion to celebrate the life and legacy of Bhagwan Baba. Thank you very much, sir. We are ever grateful to you for this wonderful opportunity. Sir, there is a great enthusiasm, fervor across the globe among the devotees to be part of Sai mission. After nearly 15 years of Baba's Mahasamadhi, we are able to have a celebration on this grand scale, and all of this is possible only because we have committed followers and devotees of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. And I humbly bow down to all of them, because of whom this Sai mission is today vibrant. Sir, our Sai institutions, so many dedicated people, the doctors in medical fraternity, the people, the university, we have professors, teachers. We have, most importantly, we have Sevadal brothers who are coming here from different parts of the country, who are volunteering their time and resources to be part of this spiritual mission, without whom we will not have this vibrancy. I again bow down to all of them, sir, from this dais. And also we have a beautiful educational institutions, and from these institutions, there are many of them who, students who have passed out, they're again coming back and being part of this glorious mission. Their support is invaluable for all of us, sir. And in such wonderful, loving Sai family we have, and lives it with a lot of love for, and only binding factor is love for Baba. Baba always used to emphasize on selfless service, and such a selfless service can be done only by cultivating detachment and renunciation. Sir, mother and motherland were very close to Baba. He always talked about motherland to all the students, all his devotees, whenever he had an opportunity. Sir, his mother asked only one simple thing. When this Puttaparthi was growing, he said, a small clinic here is required because there are no medical facilities. Listening to her and her call, he created super specialty hospitals in this tiny hamlet. And she asked for a small school for those village boys who have to walk almost 3 to 5 kilometers to go to school. She asked him, just create a small college, and he created a university in this very place, sir. Sir, recently I was listening to a podcast. I do follow your podcasts and your interviews. And something very touching that you mentioned, sir. You said about your beloved mother. My mother has not studied. मेरी माँ पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है. But told me, काम करो बुद्धि से, जीवन जियो शुद्धि से. This is a mantra, sir. This is a mantra which for all mothers in this country should give to their children. I am sure you have followed this dictum of mother, which has made you a world leader, sir. Sir, today I have to mention very important thing for us. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, said Satya Sai centenary celebrations is a state function we will all celebrate amongst full of state, entire state we should celebrate and declared it as a state function, sir. We are beholden to you, sir, for this great honor. Today, this grand function is being celebrated together with state government and the trust, and we see the vibrancy and the effect of that. So, thank you for all the support, sir. With all such noble sons and daughters, we fervently hope that this grand centenary year will lay a strong foundation for next 100 years of love and service for the country and for the entire humanity. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for elevating the spirit of this august gathering by your heart-touching words describing the magnitude and